Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about 8-year old girl after a tonsillectomy sees a bear in her room. She screams with fright. A nurse who rushes on switching the light and finds a rug wrapped on an armchair. What the child best described. So here this armchair is a stimulus. Okay, rug wrapped on this child, 8-year-old child, on seeing the rug wrapped on an armchair, she thinks this has a bear. So this bear is false perception. Okay, she has falsely perceived the armchair has a bear and started screaming. So this false perception in the presence of stimulus is called illusion. Hallucination is false perception in the absence of stimulus is hallucination. Delusion is false belief which is strongly believed by the patient is delusion. Thank you and thank you for watching.